Are you looking for the best ice maker to keep your drinks perfectly chilled all year round? Whether you need fresh ice for your home, office, RV, parties, or outdoor gatherings, a quality countertop ice maker can produce ice in just minutes, saving you time and eliminating those last-minute trips to the store. From soft, chewable Nugget ice to classic bullet ice, today's best machines offer faster production, larger capacities, and convenient self-cleaning features. In this video, we've rounded up the 7 best ice makers of 2026 based on ice production speed, daily capacity, ease of use, cleaning features, build quality, and overall value. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly countertop model or a premium Nugget ice machine, there's a perfect option on this list. Stay tuned until the end to discover which ice maker earned the #1 spot and why it's the best choice for your home or office. Let's get started. Number 7. Igloo Portable Countertop Ice Maker. Starting our list at number 7 is the Igloo Portable Countertop Ice Maker, a compact and affordable machine that's perfect for kitchens, offices, RVs, and parties. It produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day and makes 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 7 to 8 minutes, so you'll always have fresh ice when you need it. With the option to choose small or large ice cubes, it's easy to prepare everything from iced coffee to cocktails. The LED control panel lets you select cube size and alerts you when it's time to add water or empty the ice basket. Plus, the built-in self-cleaning function helps keep maintenance simple. Its compact, lightweight design fits neatly on most countertops, while the included ice basket and scoop makes serving quick and convenient. Quiet operation makes it a great choice for both home and office use. Pros: produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day, makes ice in 7 to 8 minutes, 2 ice cube sizes, compact and portable design, LED control panel, self-cleaning function, includes ice basket and scoop. Cons: holds only about 1 pound of ice. Ice should be transferred to a freezer for longer storage. Overall, the Igloo Portable Countertop Ice Maker is a compact, easy-to-use, and budget-friendly option that delivers fast ice production, making it our number 7 pick for the best portable ice makers of 2026. Number 6. Silonn Countertop Ice Maker. Coming in at number 6 is the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker, a compact and reliable machine that's perfect for home kitchens, offices, RVs, and parties. It delivers fast ice production in a space-saving design, making it a great choice for everyday use. The Silonn produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and can make up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. With a 2-liter water tank, it provides a steady supply of fresh ice, and you can choose between small or large ice cubes depending on your drinks or cooling needs. Operating the machine is simple thanks to its intuitive control panel. The transparent lid lets you monitor ice production, while smart indicator lights notify you when the basket is full or the water needs refilling. It also features a self-cleaning function, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. Pros: produces 26 pounds of ice per day, makes 9 ice cubes in 6 minutes, 2 selectable ice sizes, compact countertop design, quiet operation, easy-to-use control panel, self-cleaning function, includes ice basket and scoop. Cons: ice basket has limited storage capacity. Ice should be moved to a freezer for long-term storage. Overall, the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker offers fast performance, simple operation, and excellent value, making it our number 6 pick for the best portable ice makers of 2026. Number 5. Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker. Taking the number 5 spot is the Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker, a versatile and high-capacity ice machine designed for home kitchens, offices, bars, and parties. With fast ice production, flexible water filling options, and convenient smart features, it's a reliable choice for everyday use. This ice maker can produce up to 45 pounds of ice per day and makes 24 crystal clear ice cubes in about 13 minutes. It also lets you adjust the ice cube thickness, so you can customize the ice to suit everything from soft drinks to cocktails. One of its standout features is the dual water filling system. You can either pour water directly into the 3.2-liter tank or connect a compatible water bottle for continuous ice production. The easy-to-read LCD display allows you to monitor the machine, set the built-in timer, and receive alerts when the water is low or the ice basket is full. Plus, the self-cleaning function makes maintenance quick and simple. Pros: produces up to 45 pounds of ice per day, makes 24 crystal clear ice cubes in about 13 minutes. Adjustable ice cube thickness, 2 convenient water filling options, LCD display with timer function, self-cleaning feature, quiet operation, includes ice basket and scoop. Cons: larger footprint than basic countertop models. Water bottle for automatic filling is sold separately. Overall, the Euhomy Countertop Ice Maker delivers impressive ice production, flexible operation, and user-friendly features, making it our number 5 pick for the best portable ice makers of 2026. Number 4. Kismile Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Coming in at number 4 is the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker, an excellent countertop machine for anyone who loves soft, chewable nugget ice. Perfect for home kitchens, offices, RVs, and parties. It combines fast ice production with a user-friendly design and reliable performance. This compact ice maker produces up to 44 pounds of nugget ice per day and delivers the first batch in about 10 minutes. Its 1.8-liter front pull-out water tank and 1.2-kilogram ice storage basket reduce the need for frequent refills, ensuring you always have plenty of ice on hand. Operating the machine is simple thanks to its touch control panel, which features indicators for low water and a full ice basket. The built-in 20-minute self-cleaning function helps keep the machine clean and hygienic with minimal effort, while the viewing window allows you to monitor ice production without opening the lid. Pros: produces up to 44 pounds of nugget ice per day, first batch ready in about 10 minutes, soft, chewable nugget ice, 1.8-liter front pull-out water tank, one-touch self-cleaning function, easy-to-use touch controls, compact design for home, office, or RV, includes ice scoop and basket. Cons: smaller ice storage capacity than larger models. Nugget ice production may slow slightly during extended use. Overall, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker offers fast performance, convenient features, and delicious chewable nugget ice in a compact package, making it our number 4 pick for the best countertop ice makers of 2026. Number 3. Frigidaire Gallery EFIC 255 Nugget Ice Maker. Taking the number 3 spot is the Frigidaire Gallery EFIC 255 Nugget Ice Maker, an award-winning countertop machine that delivers soft, crunchy nugget ice just like your favorite restaurants. With its stylish design, fast performance, and convenient features, it's a fantastic addition to any kitchen, office, or entertainment space. The EFIC 255 produces up to 44 pounds of nugget ice per day, with the first batch ready in just 10 to 15 minutes. Its intuitive touch control panel makes operations simple, while the automatic self-cleaning function keeps the machine fresh and hygienic with the press of a button. Designed for convenience, this ice maker features a pull-out ice drawer with a viewing window, allowing you to check ice levels without opening the machine. There's no water line required. Simply fill the reservoir, plug it in, and enjoy fresh, chewable ice whenever you need it. Its sleek matte finish also adds a modern touch to any countertop. Pros: produces up to 44 pounds of nugget ice per day. First batch ready in 10 to 15 minutes. Soft, crunchy, chewable nugget ice. One-touch self-cleaning function. Easy-to-use touch controls. Pull-out ice drawer with viewing window. No water hookup required. Includes ice scoop and drip tray. Cons: larger footprint than compact ice makers. Slightly louder during ice production. Overall, the Frigidaire Gallery EFIC 255 combines premium nugget ice, stylish design, and user-friendly operation, making it our number 3 pick for the best countertop nugget ice makers of 2026. Number 2. Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker. Taking the number 2 spot is the Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker, a premium countertop machine designed for anyone who loves soft, chewable pebble ice. With fast production, powerful self-cleaning, and a sleek stainless steel design, it's an excellent choice for home kitchens, offices, RVs, and parties. The Typhur produces up to 35 pounds of nugget ice per day and features a 1.5-liter water tank with a removable basket that holds up to 2.6 pounds of ice, reducing the need for frequent refills. Its soft, crunchy pebble ice is perfect for iced coffee, cocktails, sodas, and other refreshing drinks. One of its standout features is the one-touch deep cleaning system. A built-in high-pressure pump thoroughly cleans the internal ice path in just 7 minutes, helping deliver cleaner, fresher ice every time. The package even includes 8 cleaner and descaler packs, making long-term maintenance quick and hassle-free. Its compact footprint features easily on most countertops, while the stainless steel exterior and intuitive LED display provide a modern look and simple operation. Running at only about 50 dB, it operates quietly without disrupting your home or office. Pros: produces up to 35 pounds of nugget ice per day. Soft, chewable pebble ice. One-touch 7-minute deep self-cleaning. Includes 8 cleaner descaler packs. Compact stainless steel design. Quiet operation. Easy-to-read LED display. Includes 2 ice scoops and removable basket. Cons: slightly lower daily ice production than some 44-pound models. Premium price compared to standard countertop ice makers. Overall, the Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker delivers premium chewable ice, outstanding self-cleaning performance, and a compact modern design, making it our number 2 pick for the best countertop nugget ice makers of 2026. Number 1. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. Claiming the number 1 spot is the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker, one of the most popular and premium countertop ice makers on the market. Designed for nugget ice lovers, it delivers soft, crunchy pebble ice with smart features, fast production, and exceptional convenience for home kitchens, offices, and entertaining. The Opal 2.0 produces up to 38 pounds of chewable nugget ice per day, with the first batch ready in less than 10 minutes. It makes about 1.6 pounds of ice per hour, while the removable ice bin stores up to 3 pounds at a time, ensuring you always have fresh ice available for drinks, smoothies, and cocktails. What truly sets this model apart is its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Using the Smart HQ app, you can monitor the machine, schedule ice production, receive software updates, and even control it through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The included 0.75-gallon side water tank provides extended ice production without requiring a direct water hookup. Maintenance is equally simple thanks to the advanced cleaning system, which helps keep the machine running efficiently and your ice tasting fresh. Wrapped in a sleek stainless steel finish, the Opal 2.0 looks as premium as it performs. Pros: produces up to 38 pounds of nugget ice per day. First batch ready in under 10 minutes. Soft, crunchy, chewable nugget ice. Built-in Wi-Fi with Smart HQ app. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Includes 0.75-gallon side water tank. Holds up to 3 pounds of ice. Stylish stainless steel design. Advanced cleaning system. Cons: premium price, water filter, and cleaning kit are sold separately.
Overall, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker delivers exceptional nugget ice quality, smart connectivity, and premium performance. Its fast ice production, large capacity, and convenient Wi-Fi features make it the best overall countertop nugget ice maker, earning our #1 recommendation for the best ice makers of 2026.